What's up guys, welcome to another video of Shakima at home. And today I feeling so excited. You know why, guys? It's Father's Day and I'm making a delicious pancake for my children. We just come back from church and I'm not in the mood to do a big cooking, maybe in the afternoon, but for now we're just going to make some banana pancake for the kids and for me to eat for lunch because we're very hungry. We're up since around 5 o'clock this morning doing some Father's Day breakfast boxes. So now we went church and we come home and we're relaxing. So now we're going to prepare ourselves some delicious banana pancake. We were supposed to do that since morning, but we never get the opportunity. But the day is not finished as yet, right? So let's get started on this video. Hope you like this video. Subscribe to our channel. Tell a friend about us at Shakima at home, and yeah, in everything you do, put God first. Let's get started. Okay guys, so for this banana pancake we have some flour inside here. I will add the ingredients in the description down below if you guys want to try this recipe. We have some melted butter. I have 2 eggs here. I have a little bit of granulated sugar. We're not going to use too much sugar inside it because of the bananas. The bananas are already sweet, so you don't even have to put sugar if you don't want. And if you're not a fan of granulated sugar, you can use monk sugar, or you can use the same maple syrup or some honey. The choice is yours. I'm using some salt here. I'm not using baking powder today. I'm using some baking soda, and we have some buttermilk here. If you don't have buttermilk, guys, all you have to do is get your regular old milk and just tip a little bit of white vinegar inside it. Leave it there for like 3-4 minutes, and when it starts to curdle up, you know, okay, you have yourself some buttermilk. I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla also inside it. If you have cinnamon, you can go ahead and add some cinnamon inside it, but I don't have cinnamon today. So let's get started with what we have. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to place the flour over there. I'm going to take the buttermilk here, and I'm going to add my egg and crack it, and 2 eggs inside of the buttermilk. I'm going to whisk it in. Just like that. Break up the egg inside the buttermilk, and then I'm going to add my melted butter inside it, like so. And I'm just going to push this to the side, or place it to the side. I'm going to get myself a bowl with a fork. Okay guys, you know, sometimes you go inside the supermarket, and when you go inside the supermarket, you see they have to the side some bananas. They're looking very ugly, but you know, and in the supermarket, be careful, you can get these bananas like $1 for a kilo. So this is the best time for you to just pick up some and use them to make yourself some delicious banana bread, banana muffin, banana pancake, anything you feel like do with ripe banana. This is the time you should do it, when you get them on special, right? Because they're overripe. So I'm just going to use for this recipe 3 of them. I'm just going to peel it just like that.
My banana.
So I'm just going to take the fork and I'm just going to break it down, mash it up like that. You can leave a little bit of chunks inside it if you like, or you can go ahead and just mash it all out. And we're going to incorporate it inside of our wet and dry ingredients and make ourselves, because you know sometimes when people make banana bread, they stating like, hear me about banana bread. My mind is on banana bread because I have to bake some this afternoon for someone. But you know, sometimes when you go out to restaurants and you hear they say, oh, banana pancake, normally what they do, they don't incorporate the banana inside the butter. They just to put the right banana on top and call it banana pancake, but you don't get the flavors, you know, that you need. So it's like this, guys, and this is good for me. So I'm going to just place it aside there, get back the dry ingredients. I'm going to add the baking soda, the salt, and the sugar to it. Inside of the wet ingredients over there, I'm going to add a tip of vanilla. Just a tip of vanilla. Give it some more flavors, you know. I'm taking the same whisk and I'm just going to whisk the dry ingredients together. And then I'm going to take my wet ingredients and I'm going to throw it or pour it in the center of the dry ingredients, and I'm just going to take my little time and just incorporate everything. You don't want to overwork the butter for pancake or for waffles. You just want to barely mix it together, just like that. And as you can see, I add the wet ingredients 2 times, not 1, 2 times. And I'm just incorporating everything together like that. You can already smell the flavor from the banana bursting your nose, because you know when banana is overripe, you can smell it from a distance. That's the banana, that the banana is overripe. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take my banana and I'm going to pour it inside my wet mix, and I'm going to incorporate it again, you know, like that. Nice, right guys? Yeah, it's like you're making a banana bread, just like that. See that? Okay, this is good, and I'm going to set it aside. And the good thing about this recipe, guys, you can use everything cold. You don't have to worry like you have put the eggs at room temperature or the butter at room temperature. You can do everything cold. The milk, you can just take it from the fridge and use it, and just whip up yourself a lovely bowl or butter of banana pancake. So what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm going to turn on the heat for the fire on the stove to light the pot, for the pot to get hot, and then we're going to fry up this baby. Okay guys, so I'm just taking some butter from this and I'm just adding it to the pot to grease it a little bit. Everything go good with butter.
I'm done, Mommy.
Okay, so I'm just going to take my butter.
I'm done, Mommy.
Butter.
I'm done.
Tell me, Kissy.
Butter.
Okay.
I'm done, Mommy. See, I'm done.
Okay, baby. And I'm just going to place it in the pot, like so. Like that. And I'm going to leave one side cook up, and then I'm going to flip that. Okay guys, you see all the bubbles coming up around the sides of the pancake. You know it's time for it to flip. So I'm just pushing my spatula underneath it. Ooh. And I'm just flipping them. Ooh. Just like that. Okay guys, so I'm just taking out these because these are finished already. Okay guys, so I'm finished with the pancakes. I only have one leaf inside the pot, so I have some walnut. I'm going to add some walnut to the pancake. So I'm just roughly chopping it. You know, you have to take your time because you don't want it to spread all over the board. And then you should use my hand to just block it like that. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just take it like that, and I'm going to just spread it on the pancake. Look how beautiful that is already. What I'm going to do, I have some red banana here because banana, it's a banana pancake. You want to show the people what inside it. So I'm just going to slice it. Like so. And I'm just going to place it. Like that. Place the banana. You can cut them smaller if you want. And just a few more walnuts on top of the banana. Get yourself some pancake syrup and just put it all over. Just like that. You can go ahead if you have powdered sugar and sprinkle it, but for this one I won't do that. So for the next one, because we're doing two different types, for the kids, and for this one I wanted some strawberry in mine, so I'm just going to slice me a bit of strawberry, some bananas, a little bit more walnut, and I'm just going to place it all over my pancake, just like that. Get myself some maple syrup and just give it a good amount of maple syrup on top, just like that, guys. And there you go, my banana pancake. Look how beautiful, and they taste good too. So now for the taste test. So now for the taste test, guys, we're going to taste it for you guys to see how it tastes. Okay guys, so we're finished and we're tasting.
It tastes
piece
like
of
banana
everything.
fritters.
Banana fritters or banana cake? Banana bread.
Fritters.
Mm-hmm. I pass it. You like it? Tastes good, right? Okay guys, see you in the another video.